Hey guys, welcome to Break a Bolt. On today's episode, we're gonna start cleaning up the engine bay and start prepping it for paint. So, let's get rolling. I've taken out most of the wiring and start, cleaning up the area. I took the what do you call it, the brake booster and things like that. Took all the wires out. Took the cover off. There's a lot of, years and years of gunk and mud collected over it. So now I'm hoping to take the fenders off, and so it'll give a much better, cleaner view of it. So yeah, I got most of the stuff out. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with the ABS pump. I don't know if I want to use this. I'm not sure if the E90 ABS pump is gonna be compatible with it. We'll see it in the future how it goes. But for the moment, I'm gonna start taking the fenders out, and let's go from there. So I'm done cleaning it up. I vacuumed most of the debris I could get to, and it's decently clean. So at this point, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use some purple power, spray it on, and start agitating the dirt and trying to get as much as possible out. So yeah, let's start cleaning it up. So here's the engine bay. I cleaned as much as I could, and now it's time to start taping all the places I don't want paint, and then use this Scotch Brite pad and start scratching the surfaces. So it'll give a bonding surface, a rough bonding surface. So yeah, it's not much, but it took a lot of time to clean. So yeah, let's start taping now. The engine bay is fully taped up as much as I could. Now I just had to start scrubbing it with the Scotch Brite pad and start cleaning it up with acetone or pre-prep. I'll get going with that.
Summer in the hills, those hazy days I do remember. We were running still, had the whole world at our feet, watching seasons change. Our roads were lined with adventure, mountains in the way couldn't keep us from the sea. Here we stand, open arms. This is home where we are, ever strong in the world that we made.
So I did my first light coat, and I almost forgot to cover the the paint coat, and so I had to kind of wipe it off and redo it. But well, the color is coming off okay. I didn't want it to be too dark. I wanted to kind of blend with the Titan silver gray, but it's all right. Unfortunately, I got a couple of reactions. So right here, I don't know if you can see it. It's reacting with that glue, whatever they had, slightly, and then got some imperfections right here, as well, like fisheye kind of thing going on. But other than that, for the most part, it's coming out okay. I'm not too worried if it doesn't come out perfect because it's the engine bay, But yeah, let's do a couple of coats. I should have bought one of those trigger things for the cans, which I'm regretting right now. My fingers are killing me. Plus, I cut my finger. I broke my nail the other day, so not helping as well. But let's keep going and see how it goes. Alright, here it is. I've finally done painting it. It looks decent. Can't complain. Kind of covered over where it was fisheye. I was able to paint over it and get rid of it, but the finish is relatively smooth. There's still like imperfections, but it doesn't matter. It looks decent from afar. So, alright, I'm gonna let it dry for the rest of the day and then start taking off later. But that's it, we're done painting. Alright guys, so we're done painting the engine bay. It looks relatively good. There are some imperfections, but it's all good. It's an engine bay. It doesn't have to be smooth as a body outside. Anyhow, it takes a lot of prep, so you gotta prep. The more you prep before you paint is less problems you're gonna have. So most of the imperfections I had was like nooks and crannies where I could not weeds to clean up, and I think it's just grease all over there. So first of all, if you're gonna do this, start cleaning your engine, and then make sure you degrease it as much as possible. Then go with a Scotch-Brite pad, rub it off, make like so you have like a rough surface for the paint to bond, and then go over with like a paint prep or acetone, whatever you can find, and then paint over it. So I'm not sure how durable it's going to be. Like I always have my doubts with spray can paints because it's like they don't last too long in my opinion. So time will tell. We'll see how it's going to be, but that's about it for today. As usual, like, comment, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Hit that subscribe button. The support helps out a lot. Other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Keep breaking bold.